All right, integrated science case. So today we're going to do an activity called the Energy Skate Park. And so I want to kind of make sure I walk you through on how to do this assignment. So when you go into this assignment, you're going to click on this link here. It's going to give you a Google Doc that you need to download, make a copy of. And then there is a link here on how to get to it, but that link is also in the Energy Skate Park. So I'm going to switch the slide here for a second. And then when you download that link, that Google Doc, you're going to get this worksheet here. Notice that there is some information at the very beginning. It talks about potential and kinetic energy. You probably remember potential and kinetic energy a little bit from middle school, but we're going to get into the math a little bit more on how the energy changes from one to the other and how energy changes in other ways as well. And so there is a link here. You might have to download a flash drive in order to, or a flash player in order to use the simulation, but the simulation should work for almost all laptops. When you get into the simulation, it can be different options. Click on the intro option, and then it's just going to let you play around a little bit here. So you're going to explore what can you change, just answer the question. Anything that has a yellow box in it, please make sure that you change those questions. You answer those questions, okay? All right. Next, we're going to take a look at the actual link itself. All right, so this is the Energy Skate Park Basics link that you're going to get to. Again, it's going to look like this at the very beginning, and you just want to hit the play button. And the play button will allow it to just start on your laptop. Okay, hopefully. Notice that you had different options. We want to start off with the intro, but you can do the playground a little bit. It is going to ask you to play around a little bit with the activity here. So again, just play around. Click on things. It might really help to actually click on some different things, especially when we start doing our activity today. I would click on bar graph and speed in order to answer a lot of the questions. You can also change the mass of this person here. You can make them smaller or bigger, depending on what's going on there. Okay, and then you notice that in the bar graph, different things are going to happen. Notice you have a speed thing here. You can also play around with making your own little skate park. And so, we could have something like this. I can add another one in there, something like that. I could put this person up here and say, hey, what's going to happen to this person? And whoop, bye-bye. Okay. Oh, they land on their feet. That's pretty cool. And so you can actually kind of look at different things that are happening on, kind of like a little mini roller coaster, so to speak. So anyways, have fun, enjoy this PhET, answer those questions. Then very last question in that handout, make sure that you are using your evidence from your graphs and your charts in order to explain what is happening between potential and kinetic energy. As always, if you have any questions, make sure you ask, okay?